Good morning. I am Dr. Ramana Priyadarshini, Professor of EC Department. In today's class, we shall discuss about the Intelsat series of satellite communication. So, Intelsat stands for International Telecommunication Satellite. The features of this Intelsat are Intelsat organization was, first of all, it was created in 1964 and it becomes a private company in 2001. So it has 140 member countries and more than 40 investing entities. So in 2002, the company started providing end-to-end solution around the globe through a network of teleports, leased fibers, and point point of presence. So the organization has launched a series of satellites called the Intelsat series to provide different services. So the satellite is mainly used for telecommunication purpose. The main region covered by these Intelsats are Atlantic Ocean region, Indian Ocean region, and Pacific Ocean region. So all the three regions are covered, so by which the entire globe is covered. So the service provided. So a variety of communication services are provided by these satellites. So Intelsat series is mainly used for telecommunication as well as communication purpose, and different types of communications can be provided by this Intelsat service. So some of the services provided by the Intelsat series are for telephone communication and the internet for data exchange as well as internet services. So because of this, the broadband network can be easily accessible for the users in the earth. And also it provides the DTH service. So DTH TV signal broadcasting, and it uses telemedicine and tele-education, interactive video, and also it supports the multimedia communication. So these are the various services provided by the Intelsat satellite series. So the different types of Intelsats are there. First one is Intelsat 1. So it is launched 1965 and is named as Early Bird. So it's the first commercial communication satellites operating over the Atlantic Ocean. So its type is of cylindrical and spin stabilized satellite. So it uses the omnidirectional antenna and has two transponders and each with 30 MHz of bandwidth. So capacity, say the 240 voice telephone circuits are one good quality television transmission. So lifetime was uh, designed as 18 months, but it is extended up to 3 years. Next is Intelsat 2. So it is launched in 1967. So here first placed in the Pacific Ocean to extend the coverage. Second, it was placed over the Atlantic Ocean to increase the capacity. Third, it was placed over the Pacific Ocean to act as a spare satellite. And with these satellites over the Atlantic and Pacific, 2/3 of the world area are covered by the communication satellites. So it is construction is almost same as that of the previous case Intelsat 1, but it has improved the channel capacity, and here it is designed with a lifetime of 3 years. Next is the Intelsat series 3. So here this is also a communication satellite, and it has more advanced tools are used in this satellite. So here the transponders of this satellite, each satellite has two transponders with 225 MHz of bandwidth and supports the channel capacity. It supports 1200 telephone channels or 700 telephone channels plus one TV channel. So this is when compared with the previous cases, it increases the capacity of the system is getting increased, so that more number of services can be provided by this satellite. Next is the antenna. So D-span antenna was introduced, and it is highly directional antenna with a beam width of 190° for global coverage. So lifetime. So due to failures during the launch in orbit, only 3 satellites out of 8 were in service for full design lifetime of 5 years. So initially it is designed for 5 years, but after launch there may be some failures in this system, and at present 5 satellites are in service. So next is Intelsat 4 and 4A. So during a period from 1971 to 75, 8 Intelsat 4 series were launched, of which 7 reached the orbit and provided the service. So out of 8, 7 was the successful launched in this desired position. So the transponder, each satellite has 12 transponder of 36 MHz bandwidth, and it introduces the 4 MHz of guard band also. So antenna, it provides the global coverage antenna, and two 4.5 degree beam with spot beam antennas are used. One spot beam and was directed to the east, and other was directed to the west of the ocean region to increase the capacity and to support the heavy traffic routes. So here the capacity is further increased of around 4,000 telephone channels plus 2 TV channels can be used in this system. And so Intelsat 4A, so in order to increase the capacity of Intelsat 4, the first Intelsat 4A satellite was launched. So here the frequency use concept was introduced so that the capacity of 6,000 telephone lines and 2 TV channels are provided. So in antennas, in addition to the global beam antennas and high gain spot beams, hemisphere directional antennas was designed and also introduced here. So single channel system were introduced to provide more flexibility, especially for low traffic routes. Now, these are the different usages of Intel series satellites. Thank you.